pleasant weather and the season of rains has arrived. When we are talking about rains, everybody likes to eat something hot and spicy like vada and pakoda. In this video, I am going to share a variation of vada, which is sabudana vada. But I am going to add a twist into it, this is going to be a Jain sabudana vada. And this is again suggested by my tuition sir. And I would also like to tell him that, sir, please suggest me such yummy and delicious Jain recipes. Now, without further ado, chalo shuru karte hain. Guys, it's time to share the ingredients with you all. And as you all know, I am preparing a Jain recipe, so there are some restrictions for the ingredients not to use, such as potatoes, onions, and also garlic. Now it's time to share the ingredients. So the ingredients are 1 cup of soaked sabudana. Instead of potatoes, we are using chawal ka atta or rice flour for binding. 2 green chilies, salt as per your taste, red chili powder, oil, and 1 cup of water. So now it's time to start the recipe. As for the procedure, you all first have to add the sabudana into it. Then the rice flour. You all can add green chilies also. As I like spicy, that's why I'm adding green chilies. Some salt as per your taste. Then the red chili powder. Guys, now it's time to mix the ingredients first. Now it's time to add the water to make a dough out of it. So first we are going to add little water. First mix it. Guys, it's time to get our hands dirty. By which I mean that you all have to make a dough out of it. अगर हमको पानी लगा ज़्यादा और डालना है तो हम डालेंगे. Right now I feel the dough is ready, so it's time to make the vadas out of it. Now I have taken a pan to fry the vadas, and I have poured some oil. First let the oil get hot, then we'll then we'll fry the vadas on medium flame. So first let the oil get hot. Guys, now my oil has got hot, but to test it I have taken a small sabudana vada. I'm going to add this. Guys, now the testing sabudana vada has become quite red. So now we can put the rest of the vadas. So first let me remove it in an absorbent paper, and for the first batch I am going to add only 3 vadas. So first let it get golden brown, then we are going to add the rest of the vadas into it. Guys, it will take some time, so be patient as it is on medium flame.
Please do not keep on a high flame, otherwise your vada will become super crispy. You don't want it super crispy and it will become black. The vadas have become quite brown, but I'm going to fry them for at least 1 to 2 minutes because I like more crispier sabudana vadas. And simultaneously we are going to fry all of them too. So first let it get more crispier.
A few moments later.
Guys, now the sabudana vadas have fried. I'm going to remove them right now. Now let's add more 3. Now let us try these 3. Then we are going to add the rest of them. We are going to add rest of them by 3 by 3.
A few inches later.
Guys, now the sabudana vada has been ready. And you all can, if you want to make normal sabudana vada, you all can add potatoes into it and also ginger garlic paste if you want to. And you all can eat this with dahi or with red chili sauce. Now it's the moment of truth, and I'm going to eat this with dahi. But if you are following my channel, you all might be aware of that I am calling my dad to taste these amazing dishes. And in this video, me and my dad both are gonna taste this dish. So Papa, join us.
Good evening, friends. Once again, I am back. So it's the snack time in the rainy season. But there is a twist. Shlok will be having this dish with dahi. I will have with red chili sauce. So let's taste it.
So now the moment of truth.
Cheers.
Really speaking the truth, guys, this is really amazing.
50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह
You all should try this recipe.
My champ rocks. It is the best evening snack I am having. Thank you. God bless.
If you guys like this recipe, then don't forget to give a like to this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video, and please comment down on this video. And please do follow me on my Instagram. Signing off, Shlok Singh. See you in the next video. Bye bye.